Hello everyone, my name is Olivier and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to practice mindfulness meditation using 4 simple steps. By the end of this video, you will have a simple tool that you can use to reduce your stress and anxiety, but also help you calm your mind and your body. If you like to learn about different mindfulness practices or meditation techniques, consider subscribing to my channel. Every Tuesday, I will be posting a new video on these topics and show you how you can apply these tools into your daily life. So before we get started with the steps on how to meditate, it is useful to understand what is mindfulness meditation and how it can help us in our daily life. So mindfulness meditation is the simple practice of bringing our attention to our experience in the present moment. What does that mean? That means paying attention to our breathing, to our body sensations, to our feelings, or to our thoughts. For today though, we will just focus on how to pay attention to our breathing. This technique, this meditation technique is called mindful breathing or mindfulness of the breath. And it is a foundation of mindfulness meditation. In future videos, I will show you how to pay attention to your body, so you can learn to relax it, and also how to pay attention to your feelings and thoughts so you can transform the difficult experiences that we sometimes have when we experience loneliness or fear or anger or anxiety. But I will also show you how to practice mindfulness to cultivate joy and happiness in every moment of your life. Mindful breathing is a practice of paying attention to our breathing as it is happening in the present moment. Mindful breathing is extremely helpful in our daily life. I'm sure you can recall many times where you felt so preoccupied by a worry or a project that you could not fall asleep or you could not enjoy your free time with your friends or when you were taking a walk outside. By focusing your attention on just your breath, you will be able to stop your thinking about the past and the future. And this in itself is a great source of freedom and relief. So now I am going to show you how to practice mindful breathing. Step number 1, sit comfortably. The first step is to find a comfortable sitting position. You can use a chair, you can use your couch or the side of your bed if you'd like. If possible, maintain your back straight so that you feel more energized and you feel more stable. But if you do, try not to tense up your body. If you have back issues, then lean against the chair. It's perfectly fine. So once you find a comfortable sitting position, you can gently close your eyes. Step number 2, find your anchor. Your anchor is the part of your body through which you will observe your breathing. So take a few breaths and see where in your body you feel the sensation of breathing the most clearly. For some, that can be at the tip of their nose, that can be at the back of their throat, at the level of the chest, or of their abdomen. If you're unsure, just put the palm of your hand on top of your belly and observe the rising and falling of it. Step number 3, follow your breath. So the third step, you just need to rest your attention on your anchor and follow the in-breath and out-breath. Follow the air coming into your body and the air coming out of your body. As you are breathing in and out, try to let your breath be natural. Try not to control it or change it in any ways. One exercise I like to do is to label the in-breath in and to label the out-breath out. So as I'm breathing in, I say silently to myself in, and as I am breathing out, I say silently to myself out. This exercise helps me to focus on my breath more easily and more quickly. Once you do that, after a few moments, you will have a little bit more focus. And then you can try noticing when your in-breath begins and when your in-breath ends. And the same thing for the out-breath. Try noticing when the out-breath begins and when it ends. and maybe you will be able to notice the little spaces between the in-breath and the out-breath. Step number 4, notice and come back. After a few breaths or after a few moments, your mind will have most likely drifted away, somewhere in the past or somewhere in the future. Maybe you start having some thoughts about the project or the things that you need to do next. When you notice that your mind has wandered away, just notice the thought and come back to the breath. Use the breath as a home base, as an anchor for your mind, for your attention. Having thoughts and getting lost in thoughts is normal during meditation. So when this happens, no need to judge yourself. This happens to everybody. So simply notice and come back. And this will happen many times during your sitting meditation. So it's fine when it happens. What's important is to notice that your mind drifted away and then to bring it back to the breath. So it's a constant noticing and coming back, noticing and coming back. Imagine a snow globe. When you shake it, all the snowflakes will be floating around. But if you let the snow globe rest on a table, after a few moments, the snowflakes will start settling down at the bottom of it. Mindfulness meditation is like this. By focusing our attention on the breath, we allow our thoughts and our emotions to settle down so we can have more clarity and feel more calm. So if you're new to meditation, practice mindful breathing 5 or 10 minutes a day. You can use a timer or you can use guided meditations. Next week or very soon I will have a set of guided meditations, so make sure you come back to my channel and check out the playlist on guided meditations. My last tip for today is mindful breathing can be practiced at home where we are when everything is calm and we have our timer and so on, but it can also be practiced throughout the day whenever we have just a few moments. So when you are waiting in line at the grocery store or when you are stuck in traffic jam, you can take 5 or 10 mindful breaths. This will help you to feel more grounded throughout the day and help you feeling more calm as well. So are you new to meditation or do you already have a meditation practice? Please let me know in the comment sections below. Also, if you have any questions about today's instructions or you'd like me to cover any specific topic about meditation or mindfulness, again, please use the comment sections below so I can address them in future videos. To stay in touch, you can visit my website at peaceful-breathing.com, and there you can subscribe to my mailing list. If you found the content of this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends and family if you think that the content of today's video will be beneficial to them. Next week, I will address some of the most common challenges that we encounter during meditation. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.